The I Love Aruba brand started with various sign displays strategically placed on the island where tourists can easily take a picture in front of. Afterwards came the I Love Aruba souvenir t-shirts. The brand's objective is to enhance the product Aruba altogether and make more people around the world aware of the island as a sunny tourist destination. The makers of the brand is now hoping to go international with sun care products. Steve Lieuw is a co-founder of the I Love Aruba brand. He believes incorporating the name I Love Aruba with skincare is the most optimal way to market the island. The idea is to bridge the gap for customers when it comes to Aruba being the best destination for sun, sand, and sea.
That's the main objective. Although we're winning our bread with I Love Aruba, we've always thought that how can we make the product bigger and bigger and bigger, but we knew this from a lot of years ago. And the best product that Aruba has is sun. I mean, that's the best thing, sun and the beach. And which vehicle is that for is skincare. And right now, our main objective and our main goal is to not only sell this on Aruba, but to sell this outside. A lot of other skincares carry the name of their land. And we want our land also to be represented in the outside, not only in the United States, but also Europe. And let's see if we'll get there.
Every detail of the skincare line is made with Aruba in mind, including the design and color scheme of the products. The bold, vivacious tones on the products represents the colorful houses the island is culturally used to.
Aruba is a very colorful island. I mean, whenever I drive by a pink house, I don't even really recognize it anymore because I see it so much and it's beautiful. And whenever people from abroad see it, they're like, hey, you guys have a pink house. Now, we're very colorful people, and you can see that coming back in our designs. Just like a bottle of wine, we approached the bottles with a story that needs to be told. And we will then, because of that, because of the colors, pop out in the supermarket, in the shelves. And this is a story that we came up with. You know, you got a relief, you got the water, you got aloe, you got the sun.
Omar says he has already been approached by chains in the United States who are interested in carrying the products. The concept of I Love Aruba goes beyond the products you see here. These can produce selfie opportunities for tourists. The picture moments allow the name of Aruba to be shared more often on Instagram, Facebook, and more. When people are on vacation, they want to show the world where they are.
It's not only about souvenirs. People that go on vacation want to brag about it. Not only, so do I. When I go on vacation, I'm taking, I just went with my son, taking all these selfies. When somebody lays at the beach and it's a beautiful blue background, it can be a lot of beautiful places around the world. But if you give them a tool to expose to where they are, they will do it, including me. When I'm at San Diego, I'll put the San Diego Bridge. So this will give people the tool to A, become a Kodak moment, and B, to start talking about it whenever they go back home. It's a conversation trigger. So it's the perfect vehicle to get across.